So I have been living with two watches on my wrist this past week. Yeah, I looked ridiculous. But I had to find out, is the Runmefit Watch 4 with its crazy 15-day battery really the king? Or does the GTR3 with Bluetooth calling actually win in real life? By the end of this video, I'll reveal which one I'd actually recommend to you. So, let's dive in. Alright, let's start simple. First up, the Watch 4. Open the box and boom, you get the watch itself. Underneath, you've got the charging cable and the manual that, let's be real, almost no one reads. Now the GTR3, same deal. The watch on top, charging cable, quick start guide. Clean and minimal packaging, nothing over the top. But hey, that's fine. The real fun is what these watches can actually do. Now, here's the Watch 4, and let me tell you, this thing is built for people who don't want to slow down. Battery life is insane, up to 15 days on daily use. I've used it heavily and still got around 8 days. No charger anxiety, no babying the battery. It also auto-detects workouts. Like, I literally ran across the street to beat the traffic light, and it tracked it as a run. You don't have to press anything, it just knows. And the sleep tracking? Honestly, I was surprised. With AI-powered insights, it doesn't just tell you slept 6 hours. It actually suggests how to improve your sleep patterns, which is way more useful. Big 1.95-inch AMOLED display, lightweight strap, reminders to move, drink water, even take calls and notifications on your wrist. It's basically a fitness plus lifestyle coach rolled into one. So if you're a student, a busy professional, or just someone who wants the most battery and health features without spending crazy money, the Watch 4 is for you. Now, the GTR3. This one feels more like your everyday stylish smartwatch. It's got a smaller but sharp 1.43-inch AMOLED display, round design, and looks way more like a classic watch. Battery life is solid, up to 14 days, so still great. You get 100 plus sports modes, full-time heart rate, SpO2, stress tracking, and yep, it even tracks naps. Perfect if you're the type to sneak in a quick recharge in the middle of the day. But here's the big win, Bluetooth calling. You can actually answer calls from your wrist, and it even has SOS, calling for emergencies. Honestly, that feature alone makes it super practical if you don't always have your phone in your hand. It's water resistant up to 3 ATM, stylish enough for the office or a dinner out. And with customizable watch faces, you can keep switching up the look to match your mood or outfit. So if you're after a watch that balances health, style, and everyday smart features like calling, the GTR3 is the better pick. The verdict, which one's best for you? So here's my honest advice. If your priority is battery life, hardcore health tracking, and a bigger sporty display, go with the Watch 4. It's the practical choice for busy people who don't want to charge every other night. But if you care more about style, Bluetooth calling, and having a classic everyday look with strong health features, the GTR3 is the smarter option. So there you have it, the Watch 4 for the performance-focused, and the GTR3 for those who want style with smart features. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to see which side you guys are on.